skill, spirit. Kho-Kho is not just a game, it's India's heartbeat on the field. In Haryana's heartland, where tradition meets innovation, SGT University is shaping the future of this proud sport with academic excellence and a passion for nation building. The university proudly hosted International Kho-Kho Course Level 3A 2025, a global milestone powered by Kho-Kho Federation of India and the International Kho-Kho Federation. I am Sandeep Kaur and you are watching SGT Times, a special package that celebrates courage, tradition and making of champions. This is where passion meets purpose. This is where legends begin.
At SGT University, Gurugram, the Faculty of Physiotherapy proudly organized the International Kho-Kho Course Level 3A 2025. Over these 14 days, from June 2nd to 15th, over 170 passionate coaches and technical officials from India and countries like Sri Lanka, Bangladesh, Iran, Australia, England, Korea, UAE and Malaysia came together at SGT University, Gurugram, united by one mission: to elevate Kho-Kho to global glory. From BLS emergency training to mastering attack and defense strategies, these sessions were more than lectures. They were the making of champions. For technical officials, 4 focused days covered match officiating drills, referee board operations, documentation, and international standard refereeing techniques. The program also emphasized media communication, personality development, and ethics, preparing officials for leadership role on and off the field.
Hi, I'm Geeta Sudan. I am COO of Kho-Kho India.
मेरा नाम अश्विनी कुमार शर्मा है और मैं चीफ कोच रहा हूँ इंडियन मेन टीम का.
Hi, my name is Raj Sura. I am president of Kho-Kho Australia.
I'm Chandralal Nanakara, Vice President, Kho-Kho Federation of Sri Lanka.
Hi, my name is Savita. I'm from Melbourne, Australia, representing Australia Kho-Kho Federation.
नमस्ते, मेरा नाम मोनिका शाह है और मैं वर्ल्ड चैंपियन हूँ.
Kho-Kho community all over the world in high demand. I would say it's a thirsty of knowledge.
Kho-Kho is an ancient sport.
इस कैंप के अंदर करीब 7 कंट्री से बाहर से पार्टिसिपेंट्स आए. बाकी अपने करीब 60 के करीब अपने पूरे ऑल ओवर इंडिया से कोचेज आए.
KKFI, SI coaches have taught us different drills that we can take back home and apply them at the grassroots level to spread Kho-Kho widely in Australia.
यहाँ पर एक तो हमारी गेम के रिगार्डिंग, टेक्निकल गेम के रिगार्डिंग और न्यूट्रिशन का, फिजियोथेरेपिस्ट का, मतलब जितनी प्रॉब्लम्स हमारे प्लेयर्स को होती है, कोचेस को होती है, उन सबको टैकल मीडिया क्लासेस से हुई थी.
Actually, I was very pleased with the way SGT supported it. All the topics they covered about the sports science.
My main job is to expand the global footprint of Kho-Kho so that its aim is to get it to be part of the Olympics and part of the Asian Games.
When I'm here in Haryana, your university, I feel it's my home away from home.
It's been a 15-day journey, but very inspiring for us to take away a lot of things to apply when we go overseas.
And SGT has helped us a lot in helping us organizing it and providing us the requisite infrastructure for this. Without SGT, this would not have happened. So thank you, SGT.
A landmark achievement was the signing of an MOU between Kho-Kho Federation of India and SGT University's Faculty of Physiotherapy, paving the way for specialized sports injury management and rehabilitation support for Kho-Kho athletes. A powerful press conference graced by Haryana's Honorable Sports Minister Shri Gaurav Gautam, where SGT University and Kho-Kho Federation of India sealed their commitment through our landmark MOU, blending physiotherapy, nutrition and injury management into the future of Kho-Kho.
They came as players, coaches and officials. They leave as torchbearers of a dream to take Kho-Kho from our fields to the world stage, to the Olympic, to glory. With partnership like that of Kho-Kho Federation of India and SGT University, victory is not a dream, it's a destiny. Kho-Kho is rising, India is rising. SGT University, powering dreams, empowering sports. This was an SGT Times special package. Until next time, keep playing, keep pushing and never stop believing.